Hi guys, this is Tejas and today we're looking at the Logitech wireless keyboard. So I have ordered it for my Mac Mini. I just wanted a keyboard. So keyboard features are the keyboard is spill resistant design. It has durable keys, adjustable tilt legs, a plug and play USB connection. It has Logitech unifying receiver, and it doesn't require a software to get it up and running. So guys, this would be a short video, and this is the keyboard, and this is the 2.4 gigahertz dongle which you get. And these are the color flaps, which you can remove it over here, and you can place a different color just for the look sense. So guys, this keyboard is around 700, and it's pretty small, and you can take it on your lap and you can play as well. The durability is nice. It has the flips as well over here, so that you can use it, and it would be comfortable for you to type as well. So guys, this key over here is a bit small, so if you're planning to use this keyboard for gaming, so I won't recommend this, because this is not a gaming keyboard. This is just for the day-to-day activities, and you can use it for your typing purpose, or you need to do it some surfing, or maybe search some information, and you can sit back on your bed and you can do the things away from the laptop or the desktop. So guys, this keyboard is definitely a good buy if you are looking for just a keyboard, a wireless keyboard, and I got it from Amazon. So guys, do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day. Bye bye.